Hello, everybody. I hope you can hear me. My voice goes funny towards the end of the evening. I hope it's not affecting you understanding me. Um, okay, I'm going to share with you my GBP Japanese yen trade. Okay, and this is a monthly trade. It's going to take about 8 to 12 months before it's completed. It's about um, over 3,000 pips. So, yeah, it's worth waiting for actually. And I will tell you where my entry is or where my exit is. And I hope you all understand this, right? I hope I can keep this there. Let's see if that works. Okay. Right. Let me just change my glasses again. Okay. Right. As you can see where the blue line is, that's where my entry is going to be. And my red line is my stop, just above that red line. It says 208.24. I'm going to put 208.35. That's where my stop is going to be. My entry is going to be just where the blue line is, and my target is going to be 162.81. Okay. Let me tell you how much you're risking for how much the reward is. Okay, risk reward ratio. Okay, if you could just bear with me a second. Here it is. Just bear with me a second. All right, from that red line to that blue line, you're risking about 1,200. It's about just about 1,100 pips again. From that red line to that blue line is about 1,100 pips risk. Okay. Now you're risking 1,100 pips for targeting from that blue line, from the blue line all the way to the green line. And that's about 3,400 pips. Okay. So you're risking 1,100 pips for 3,500 pips. That's more than 2 to 1. I will take that trade. Okay, now I will tell you why I'm taking this trade. Um, as you can see, it broke this trend. It was going uptrend. It broke that trend and it came down. It's retesting this level, which is around 1.6. It's around 61.8 level, and my target is 1.61.8. Okay, so let me show you by Fibonacci how I came to that. This is my Fibonacci tool from that high to that low, and you will see 1.618 is here, 162.80, 81, and 61. Where the market is struggling at the moment is 61.8, and that gives me an indication that market is going to reverse here. Okay, but what I'm doing, I'm going to put this trade just where the as soon as the market opens today, I'm not going to wait for it to go back down. I'm going to just put the trade in here and wait for it to go down, because on the 4 hour chart, I see already market has broken that trend line and is retesting. Okay. And that means it wants to go back down. That's 4 hours telling me. And on the daily, it's telling me as well, right? We found reversal here, big engulfing bar. Um, or you can call that, evening star. It looks like the evening star more. All right. And that's a retracement. And I'm just entering on that blue line. My entries, sorry, my stop loss is going to be where 208.35. And my target is going to be where 162.81. So I want the market to go down by creating a big red bar, weekly, weekly bar, and confirm that it is going down. All right. So this is my entry and exit for GBP Japanese yen. I just wanted to share with you all because last week I was expecting this market to go to 78.6%, but the market decided no, it's finding resistance here at 61.8. Doesn't matter as long as the candlestick confirms and it takes me into profit. That's what I want. Okay. So this is my GBP Japanese yen trade, and I hope you all can see it. Look, if there is any problem watching it, that um, stop losses or where the red line is 208 35. I'm just going to put 10 pip above there. So 208.35. That's where my stop is going to be. My entry is 197.64 and my target is 162.81 on GBP Japanese yen. And this trade is likely to take 8 to 10 months or even a year. Okay, bear this in mind. Okay, folks. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you're trading this, good luck. I'm going to remove this because otherwise it creates too much busyness for me. All right. Um, Good luck with this trade. GBP Japanese yen weekly trade. And for example, right, this trade is offering you 3,500 pips. So if you do £10 a pip, it's £35,000, right? And if you do £20 a pips, that's £70,000 profit. Okay. And if you do £10 a pips, you're risking about 1100 yeah, about £1,100. No, about £11,000 actually. You're risking about £11,000 to make this 35,000 or 22,000 you're risking for 70,000, whichever way you want to look at it. So you could have a £10 per pip or £20 per pip. It depends on your account size and your risk tolerance. Okay. Just wanted to add this onto the video as well. Good luck you all and speak to you soon.